आप अपनी जिंदगी से परेशान हैं।
No, 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 no. It's not that kind of show.
I'm having a good time, Morty. It's not so bad.
Bored of usual Netflix and chill?
That was fun, right? Guys, you
Right,
enjoyed
that
it?
was it.
So, hi
Anyway,
Tushar. Hello
hi.
everyone. So, welcome to all of you. We are here with our next video. It's pretty soon for us, guys. We don't do such things so soon.
Hmm,
Anyways, it was a great response that we got on our first video.
yeah, really
I
great.
didn't hope for it. Thank you, everybody. From the core of my heart, thank you. And I would for the for the viewers who are new over here, I would like to tell them my name is Abhishek. He's Tushar. He's a We both are actually softcore. He's a blogger and writer, some poet, and so he writes blog and I write poetry. You'll get our links in the description below. That's it for our introduction, guys. So we'll start with some stuff that we are here for you today.
This video is about some, as you also like must have seen the title. This video is about some movies that we think are not usually say common, or that are usually uh, ignored when browsing through popular websites like say Netflix or Prime Video or YouTube or any other like Hulu, Hotstar, whatever.
There are too many these days.
Too many of them. Anyway, so we're going to be
A
talking
fun
about
fact, fun fact, fun fact. Sorry for cutting you, but a fun fact. During this quarantine time, the usage of these websites and these all applications has gone up by 41%.
I think it should be more than that, but yeah, 41% is the minimum.
That is the fun thing, no? The people are watching all this stuff at like huge level even before the quarantine.
Hmm.
Quarantine isn't taking so much of a toll as it was expected by these platforms, I guess.
Hmm. Right, so let's start the video. So yes, so we're going to be talking about movies, as I said, which aren't much heard or sometimes heard but not watched, or sometimes people think it might not be good, or like should I invest my time in that? So those are the kind of movies we're going to be talking about today, and maybe recommending you. Like you might have watched some of them, and you might have not watched some of them. So uh,
Yeah, we are expecting you have watched the common movies like Inception and like The Pursuit of Happiness and Wolf of the Wall Street. We're not recommending you the common stuff that you can find on IMDb, so we're not going with that. Also, our reviews might not match with the IMDb ratings, so please,
yeah,
that every opinion that we're going to give is personal.
it's very personal.
You
Correct,
you
correct.
you might like it or might not. Uh, Generally, we don't care, but for the sake of it, we're giving you.
Hmm. So the reason why we're going to be recommending those like particular movies is because they have a kind of have had an effect on us, or say have impacted us differently than other movies, and they've shaped our perspective in a way that we can't really define, and that's the reason we're going to be talking about that. And I think that is the reason those are called uncommon, because like they don't shape everybody's perspective.
It's just not mainstream. And speaking of perspective, I would really love you to have a new perspective to this, Tushar. I want you to
Okay,
watch a horror movie. I
come
know you
on.
don't like them. I know you don't like them, but it's great. You should watch this. It's not completely horror. It's not like that magical stuff happening in there, but it's
Hmm.
like there's a movie Get Out, okay?
Okay.
And it's basically going to give you a perspective how even racism can lead to a horror movie.
Okay,
It's a racist
racism.
horror movie. It's a really new kind of movie. When I watched it, I was like mind blown. I didn't expect something like that is gonna come for us. It's a really good
Okay.
movie. You're gonna think of it uh, like horror all the time, but then when you'll ultimately understand it you will come across the difference between the white and the black. We
Okay.
still face those
The
challenges, I guess,
racism.
these days
Mhm.
also in our country.
Okay, so
And I
biases,
guess,
like, but in a horror setup, like
yeah,
psychological biases, like racism in a horror setup.
horror setup. Yeah, you should
That
watch it.
is okay. It is interesting, but I don't think I will watch any horror movie. Okay, let's
You
see about that.
should, bro. You should go with something.
Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I will. Maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the movie I would recommend you to watch is The Edge of 17. Okay. It's I don't know if how many of our viewers have actually watched it, because it wasn't very popular and stuff. But it does star Woody Harrelson. Many of the audience, or you also would know him from True Detective, Woody Harrelson.
Okay. Yeah,
And
I got it.
right, and he's a like one class actor.
He's
Although
amazing.
he's yep, he's the, you can say he's the adult in the movie, but and his funny scenes are so much, like so many, like it's a great humor. He's a
The
natural,
way
like
he speaks is funny.
is so natural. The Edge of 17
Yeah.
though is basically say coming of age movie.
That's a
So
great genre these days, I guess,
yep, coming
for
of age is
everyone.
very yep, because you can say the people who are like the young people who are in the teenage years, they are like getting some cinema, a good quality cinema, which corresponds to their like age also,
Yeah.
rather than going to some you know other dark areas of the internet. So so
We'll not talk about that here.
no, no. It's not for kids.
Yeah.
So what I was saying is that like it's a very good movie. It's a coming of age film. It stars Haley somebody as a lead star, and I think she does a pretty good job at that. Woody Harrelson makes the movie very lively and very comedic, and it also gives out a lesson in the end. Also, like it's very uh, because the main premise of the movie is not wanting to live, and like basically the main problems usually all teenagers have these days is so that is what the movie is about. I think one should watch it. It's very good cinema. It's very good directed. Music is also fits well. Actors are good. Everything is pretty much good, and it's very less say mentioned anywhere. I'm like, why? It's a very good movie. Why isn't it mentioned anywhere? Uh,
Okay.
Also, I'll be
Also,
mentioning. Wait. I'll be mentioning about this where this movie is available in the description, because I haven't checked if it's available. Should be,
but
I
people
guess.
can get it on torrent or something. Somewhere they get.
Not many people know that, dude.
Okay. Anyways,
Hmm.
you were talking about like what teenagers want these days. I was having this discussion with somebody.
Hmm.
Like, it's mostly approval, I guess.
Yeah,
They need
approval.
approval of somebody to they need someone to tell them that you're good enough.
I think I
That
cannot.
that is the kind of problem they're dealing with. That is why they fall in love, I guess. The teenagers.
Hmm. Yeah, approval is very important psychologically for
Yeah,
a growing kid. Approval is very important. Or see,
it's
even if
important for married people also.
yeah, I mean, see, if you don't get in the childhood, you should get it later also. So approval
So
is very
mm,
important psychologically.
this is the way you're going with the movie. I feel like I have a movie for like this. I don't know if it is like that or not. I don't
Mhm.
even completely know if it's coming of age. But there's a movie.
Hmm.
It's a Hindi movie, um,
Hmm.
starring Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt. It's Dear
Shah
Zindagi.
Rukh
Have you heard
Khan.
of it?
Oh dear Zindagi. I have heard of it, but have not watched it.
But it's great, you know. You'll see that Shah Rukh Khan isn't the lead actor there.
Okay, interesting.
He's just he. The interesting thing is the lead is done by Alia Bhatt over here. The
Alia
movie
Bhatt
revolves
has come up
around
to where.
Alia Bhatt.
Okay, 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 interesting.
The way I have seen in her, like, I don't remember the name of the movie in which there was this song Ishq Wala Love or something like that. You remember the name?
I don't know. It was
The Varun Dhawan was. I
uh,
don't remember the name. People will get it anyways.
Student of the Year.
Yeah. Student of the Year. I guess she started with that. I didn't like her acting back then. But then
Okay,
I
I
watched her
started
movies
liking
like
her from. I started
Highway.
liking her. Yes, Highway. Highway. Highway was the
Yeah,
one which
Highway
like
was
okay,
great.
Alia Bhatt can do
I
stuff.
feel like we watched Highway together only.
I think maybe.
Yeah,
I
Highway
don't
was
remember
great.
now.
Her acting was awesome there.
Yep.
I miss Randeep Hooda. I don't know where he have gone. He was
Who?
a great actor. Randeep Hooda.
Yeah. He's been missing.
Yeah, we cannot see him around anywhere.
He's probably enjoying his
Have
life.
you
I don't
heard
know.
of that guy that 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 guy who used to have who used to be in this ad for Old Spice? Milind or something. His name is. I don't remember his name.
Milind Soman. Is he an actor? I don't know. नाम याद आ रहा
No,
मुझे Milind Soman. Somebody's there.
maybe he like Milind or somebody. This guy is. And
Okay.
whenever I look at him, I remember Randeep Hooda. Like I feel like where has he gone? He was a fine
He
actor.
was a very
He is
good
a
actor.
fine actor. I don't know why he dropped acting.
No, I think I saw a movie 1 or 2 years ago where he was in a non-lead role, मतलब supporting role. But in a lead role, I haven't seen him since many years.
Yeah, there were some controversies against him. I guess we'll not get into that.
Ha. Anyway,
Anyways, watch
so
Dear Zindagi. It's great. You know, you'll
okay, let's see. But what is the genre and what is the story? Like,
see the story is
is it a
it,
feel-good
it
movie, feel bad, or like
it's a feel
motivational?
good
What is
movie. You know, you'll whenever you watch that movie, you'll feel at like you're getting at ease. You're getting comfortable. Like
okay?
it will make your mind relax. You know, we do not want movies to make us tense.
Okay.
Like
So it's
there are
not
movies
it's
like
not
when
a
not tense like
emotional
when you're
like roller
watching.
coaster.
No.
Okay, cool.
It will just smoothen the things for you. Like think of Inception. Whenever we are watching Inception, we are like in
Yep.
the or like what is going to happen next.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in this movie, it is like it is just going to make you feel like you can sleep at night peacefully. You do not have to worry much. It's like meditation, I guess. There should be a genre like that, I guess.
I
But
guess
but if I can put it in a genre, I guess it is coming of age only.
it could be a simple drama also, right? Like drama is the
But it's not.
most most basic of the genre.
Yeah, it may be. It might be, but
Every story
you'll
is
get to
drama
see.
anyway. Huh.
And that way like that we can classify any movie as sci-fi and drama.
Not sci-fi. I mean,
Somewhere,
obviously not.
somewhere science is there in every
Of
movie.
course. Like it, I mean, if you're saying that action movie can also be sci-fi because physics is there, then of course.
Obviously, physics is everywhere. Gravitation exists for a reason
Yeah.
to
Physics
make
was
the movie a
actually
sci-fi movie.
physics was actually the only thing I was half good at. Maths, I hated maths in the engineering stuff, and
But
also I hated
math,
the chemistry
see,
also.
maths we
But
hated
physics was
because of our
fine.
teacher. Maths we hated because of our teacher. Maths was a good subject
Correct.
always.
Correct.
A teacher was
No,
shit.
no, I
Not
don't think
shit,
maths was a
matlab
good
she was
subject.
potty. I hope she won't see this.
I'll tell you
I know
something
she
more,
won't
but
see this.
okay. No, let's not talk about this. I'll tell you something after the video.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
We'll
So,
get there. Okay, speaking of
huh,
sci-fi, I remember a movie. There was this movie that I watched. It's a suspense movie.
yeah.
I watched Arrival. I don't know
Arrival.
if you have
Yeah.
watched it.
Yes. I watched
It's an
Arrival is
alien-based movie, but it's great.
one of the best alien movies I've ever seen. One of the best alien
True.
movies. Definitely.
Amazing. It's amazing how they made it.
I mean, uh, it's what would you say? It's very realistic also, and it's very different also. The story is also not like keep like you know it before. Pehle se dekhiyo, not like that.
You cannot understand it till the very end of the movie. It's like the
Ah,
Shawshank Redemption,
yes,
but just not for.
it has good suspense. Yes, like you mentioned, it's a very good suspense and very good. The plot is held very well. Like it feels like the plot is in safe hands, like it's being carried slowly, slowly like a baby, and it delivers in the end.
And also, I would like to say sorry to our audience. We're not that much into who's the director of the movie, who's the actor of the movie, how much points it scored, which week it released. We're not into all that stuff, and that is
See,
not useful also for
hmm.
us. At least we watch the movie for the movie, not for the people, mostly.
See, it's usually what happens is like when you are a serial movie watcher like a serial killer, you know. So like you try to actually find the people or the creators of like how that movie became that. And I think I'm in that finding stage that okay, I like this, I like this, I like this. There must be something common. So okay, is it the director? Is it the story writer? Is it the actors? Or is it the production house or the music? Like something is there. Like if you remember, you can
It's
actually
mostly
spot
music, I guess, right?
you can actually spot
Mostly,
Hans Zimmer
yeah.
everywhere, like anywhere he is you can spot it. He was in
Yes,
Interstellar, Game of
he
Thrones, like
is
you can spot it.
mind blowing. He is awesome.
Exactly.
I
So
listen to
those are
him
the
while I'm
things.
studying, you know. He's so good.
Like he's something like this is the way that we actually go to find the creators, because we really like the pieces that they've made, and we're like okay, we want to watch this. Like that's how like I know like Richard Linklater. Like if I see a movie I can tell it's literally like it's from Linklater. If I see a movie I know it's from Karan Johar because I know what Karan Johar does,
Yeah,
right?
drama.
Too much
I guess
hype
there are
drama,
many. There might be many Karan Johar
non-realistic
fans.
drama. Yeah, like I mean there are people of course who do like drama and stuff, and of course like non-real drama, but we are not that, I guess.
Mm,
So okay, like now that we're talking about Bollywood movies, because I think you talked about a Bollywood movies like Dear Zindagi, I
yeah.
would like to mention something from Ayushmann Khurrana, who has been doing really, really, really great movies the last past years. He has been doing very good movies. So one of the movies that I recently watched is Article 15. It was not very famous because it was not very funny, and it basically focused on Article 15 of the Constitution, which is about equality for all. And I think the story is portrayed very, very, very well. Considering that Aishman is doing so many casual movies, this was a little serious and a little mystery or action, not action, a little drama and serious movie. But still, I think the story was also real in that movie, but of course unnamed and stuff. And that was the movie I watched in theater also. Like, and that experience was good. I mean, Article 15 was a movie that was like, okay, this is a really good movie.
For
Wow.
people out there, I would like to mention also, Tushar, I think it's a pretty great time. See, like the coincidences we keep talking about. See, the time we are making the video. I don't know when the video will be online. It might be a day or two for
Hmm.
all the like the final finishing of the video. But think
Hmm.
of it, the the birth ceremony for Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was yesterday only, the father of our
Right.
constitution, and today we are talking about a movie
Article 15.
which have Article 15 of which have, in which we are talking about the Constitution of India, the sole document
Yep.
that is still keeping India together. Otherwise, like if we
Right. Right. Right.
look at the politicians that we had, and we cannot like pray enough to God to save our country
Yep. Yep.
if we
Article
didn't have
15
such
is
visionary people.
right. 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 B.R. Ambedkar has been like that. I also came across a fact that B.R. Ambedkar was actually given either uh, Padma Bhushan or I think Padma Bhushan many years after his death in 1990, that by also the non-Congress government which was there. And while other leaders like Rajiv Gandhi or Indira Gandhi or Nehru all were given Padma Bhushan before even they died. Like when they were in power, they were given Padma Bhushan.
I
And
like Nehru and Indra Madam also.
it's not like or like we're talking about B.R. Ambedkar. Like B.R. Ambedkar was not very recognized in the political circle, although he shaped the whole base of the constitution.
But that is what he
That was
stood
my
for. I
point.
guess Article 15 is about B.R. Ambedkar somehow.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Like
True,
if
true.
we talk about it, it is basically you have to fight against the discrimination on the basis of race, religion, caste, sex, place of birth, residence, descent, and whatnot. It is still there. You
Yep.
know, the changes need to happen. I had this discussion the other day that we need to change the word sex with gender.
See, a lot of new age kids have now actually disassociated sex with gender because they have assumed gender to be non-binary. So, like, gender is not two, gender is 5, 6, or 7 or 8, or however many they want.
Tinder categorized it like more than 20 genders there are.
Yeah, yeah.
23 or
So
27, I don't
that's
remember.
what I'm saying. Like,
Tinder is
I'm not a
great. I don't
very
know how they come up with such stuff.
Tinder is not great, bro. It does not do good matches. Ask from a single
Me,
guy.
not in that sense. Nobody can do good matches. Ask
Of
anyone.
course.
Only the
I,
Brahmin
I,
pundits that used to be there, वो 36 गुण में लाओ, मांगलिक है लड़की and stuff like all that bullshit. That was real trauma.
I don't know drama or
Whenever
not, but yeah. I mean,
no no
yeah,
no no
I
not
understand.
drama. That was trauma, bro. Trauma.
Okay. Trauma.
For so many people, it was a real trauma. Anyways, we'll cut it short. The discussion
Yeah.
are gonna go out of hand for us, guys.
Yes, we should end it here because like we have 20 more days of quarantine now. As you also must have heard Modi ji that you have to stay 20 more days in your home. So we- we'll probably be coming up with the next video
He's
soon
doing a
again.
good job.
I think he's doing very good job. Like हमारा
A
क्या होता अगर वो
lot
नहीं
of
होता?
people hate.
It's
Lot
very
of
true.
people hate him because people are hateful. But
I
he's doing a
guess.
good job.
I mean, I think he is. Yes. We'll get
Anyways,
through
so
this, I
the
guess.
movies,
Hmm.
yeah,
I was saying we'll
sorry,
get through this.
yeah, poss- like probably at very good score than the other developed countries.
Hmm. True. True.
Anyways, the movies that we recommended are Article 15, Dear Zindagi. These are from
Hmm.
Bollywood. And
Correct.
also we talked about Get Out.
Arrival.
It was a horror movie.
Hmm.
Arrival. It was a
Arrival.
alien-based horror come suspense. There
Mystery.
is so much.
Ha ha ha.
It's mystery.
Yeah,
It's
suspense.
amazing. You should watch it.
Yep.
And
And
there
Edge of
was any
17.
other one. Edge of Seven. It's a great movie. You told me so, right? I have
Yep.
to
Yep.
watch
Yep.
it.
Yep.
I'm gonna
And I
watch
have
it
to watch
now.
Get Out.
Yeah, you have to watch Get Out, bro. Please,
Okay.
please
Let's see.
watch it
Let's see. Let's
alone
see.
when you're alone, and please switch off the
Hmm.
lights, okay? With the earphones.
I
You
can't
have
feel
to
that
you
much.
have to get scared. You have
Uh,
to get scared. That's my
maybe.
purpose of
Maybe.
life,
Maybe.
bro.
Maybe.
I have to
Maybe.
make you scared for once.
Also, I recently watched Panchayat, and I might also be uploading a review in a day or two on my website. Not here, but on my website.
On the blog,
So, yep, on the blog, which you will find in the description.
which reminds me, we talked about this in the previous video about that Corona poem.
Yes,
You
yes, yes.
remember that? I'm
Yeah,
thinking of uploading it also. So
cool.
you'll find that
Let's
into
do
the
that.
description also, guys. It
Yep,
might be
Whisper of
coming in a day
Words.
or two. Whisper of Words is the channel's name.
Yep, 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 yep.
And
Okay, I think
we'll
it's enough for today. Okay.
yeah, it's great meeting you guys, and it's great
Yes,
talking
yes,
to
yes,
you,
yes.
bro.
Great. It's great discussing movies here. And please like our video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel so that you can have more videos, and also share it with your friends so that they can also experience some movies in this quarantine time that everybody is very bored at. Correct?
Also hit that bell icon so that you can get to know when we upload our next
Bell icon
video.
is actually very good feature, I guess. I mean, you know when the video is out. Like, cool.
कोशिश करना कि जब छींक आए तो वो बेल आइकन के ऊपर आ जाए. It's a very
वो
lame
कुछ
joke, I know. It's a very lame joke. I have to agree.
छींक
I'm
आए
good
तो
with PJs,
it
bro.
should be in your elbows. Yep, PJs. Yep.
I was thinking when जब छींक आए तो वो हाथ में आने चाहिए, और फोन क्योंकि हाथ में ही रहता है, तो hence.
No. It should be in the elbow.
Anyways,
Anyway.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. It was very nice talking to you, and
Yep.
of
Like,
course
share,
talking to you is a
subscribe.
pleasure. Bye guys.